Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without making videos. Hey, my name's Tammy, and today I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without making videos. So with this simple steps, so let's start. Number one, you need to find your niche. Identify the type of videos that you watch the most on YouTube and make videos similar to them. Step 2, create your channel. Create a new channel on your YouTube profile. You already know how to do that. But if you don't know, here's how. You just click on the menu, the icon by your upper screen, and you see create channel and select that. Then you see your name, and if you've already done that, then there's no need. You already have a channel, then just put add banners and pictures to it. So the third step is monetize your channel. Now let's pass to your content. When you've passed the YouTube threshold, which is 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, and you've been approved into YouTube Partner Program, which is the YPP. If you don't know what YPP means, it's when YouTube allows you to make money off ads. Moving to the fourth step, optimize your video. When you hear optimize, it means make your video rank in search, because search is the only way new audience will find you when you're just starting out on YouTube. To do that, use Uber Suggest for keyword research, so you would know if you can rank for a keyword or not, and you also know how people are searching on that keyword in a month. The website will tell you if it's easy to rank or not. When you actually hear how to make money on YouTube without making videos, you should know that YouTube is a video platform, and for you to make money you need to make videos. But what other YouTubers mean is that you can take videos from Creative Commons on YouTube. To do that, click search and the video you like to take. You click filter and then Creative Commons. It will show you the list of videos that can be used without copyright strike or copyright claim. So all you need to do is to download it with a website called FastSave. There are other websites, but I recommend FastSave for you. The link is in the description. Just click on copy link on YouTube, then paste it on the website, like paste it on the website. That's all. So when you have downloaded the video, just edit with KineMaster. I highly recommend it. It's available for PC and Android. The link for the Pro version is in the description below. So when you have downloaded the app, just add intro and outros with a little voiceover or music. You can add overlays. Just add little value to the video, like unique value to the video. That's what YouTube actually wants, because of lazy creators. They say you're lazy and they won't monetize your channel if you upload this kind of videos. So unless you add unique values to it, which are the intros and outros and all voiceovers to the videos, then when you're all set, export the video, and now you can upload to YouTube without problems like the copyright strike. So there you have it, guys. That's how to make money on YouTube without making videos. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.